How to charge GameSir Nova Lite. So the first step is locating the USB-C port. So find the USB-C port on the top of your GameSir Nova Lite controller. It should be here. And once you found it, go ahead and connect your charging cable. Plug one end of the USB-C cable into the controller and the other to a USB power source, whether it's a laptop, a wall charger, or a power bank. The Nova Lite uses USB-C for charging and does not include replaceable batteries. So please keep this in mind when you buy this controller. All right, and then you can also check the charging indicator. So the charging indicator should begin flashing on the controller, and all you need to do is just wait for a full charge, disconnect, and then begin playing by confirming that it's charged fully. You'd see the indicator flash on your GameSir controller. If it doesn't flash, then you may need to get your controller replaced, or you may need to find a new cable to continue the charging. That way you know that the controller doesn't have an issue if the cable is changed. Alright guys, that's how it's done.